So if I'll talk about those 15 OLQs, like go into Google, internet and you search. So everybody is talking about that you need to have 15 OLQs if you want to say that yes, you have in it you. So what are those 15 OLQs and what is the importance of those 15 OLQs?
Okay, so my experience of having seen about 12,000 candidates and raising or establishing India's fourth Naval Officer Selection Board, after having this experience and also having served as a GTO at 12 SSB Bangalore, uh, I think in my experience, you don't really need 15 officer like qualities, you just need only one. That is sense of responsibility. It is the mother quality. From that quality, everything flows out. Everything. So that 15 officer like qualities that you're talking about, they go like this, factor one, we call it as factor one, effective intelligence, reasoning ability, organizing ability, power of expression, social adaptability, cooperation, sense of responsibility, initiative, self confidence, speed of decision, ability to influence the group, liveliness, determination, courage, mental and physical stamina. If you were to really think through it, and if you were to just go to, Google, I'm sure there are a lot of people who have put across definitions of these also like qualities, and written by the nodal agency, Defense Institute of Psychological Research. So, if you were to really think through it, you'll be able to correlate. No quality is independent, but every quality is independent. And the mother quality is sense of responsibility towards yourself, towards your family, towards your friends, towards your society. Okay. So we're talking about uh, the kind of life we lived in 80s and 90s when there was no smartphone. Okay, so I would say that uh, so there is something which is called as lifespan developmental psychology. Uh, there's nothing like overnight these qualities are gonna just appear in you. They don't happen like this. बीज को पहले बोना पड़ता है, फिर उसको केयर करके पानी डालना पड़ता है, पेशेंस चाहिए, परसिस्टेंस चाहिए, परसिवरेंस चाहिए, फिर पौधा ग्रो होता है, फिर वो ग्रो होता है, बड़ा होता है, फिर उसमें फूल लगते हैं, फूल से फल उगते हैं. So it starts right from the young age. If somebody who's very young and happens to witness this conversation between you and me, I would say that if I look at the way I was brought up by my mom, um, it's something like what extra do you do outside your school curriculum that matters more than anything else uh, to become a uh, average potential officer in the Indian Armed Forces. I've used this word average potential officer because it is defined, it has got a definition. So uh, how much do you go that extra mile uh, to know about your surroundings, what is happening around you? How much do you go that extra mile to keep yourself physically active, to keep yourself mentally active, challenge yourself every day, not only physically but also mentally? These are the things uh, that help in actually shaping up your practical intelligence and resourcefulness. So it's something like, anything and everything that is outside your school curriculum is going to help you develop, imbibe these qualities in a longer run. And you need to be responsible towards your family and your brothers, sisters, friends, your social group, your peer group, your subordinates, your teachers. That is a matter of upbringing. It's a very serious matter of upbringing. देश खाली मिट्टी नहीं होता. 130 crores all of us stand together on this mitti, that means India. India doesn't mean, it's not defined by these coordinates. India means we the people, Swadesh, we the people. So that is society. Responsibility towards the society is something that needs to be ingrained right from the beginning.